If you need to share a Google Calendar event link quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your calendar settings, generate a shareable link, and copy it so you can send it to anyone who needs access. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow the steps carefully so you share the right calendar the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once the calendar loads, look at the left side of the page. You'll see a section called My Calendars. This is where all of your calendars are listed, and this is the calendar you'll be working with. Find the calendar you want to share, then hover your mouse over its name. When you hover over the calendar, you should see a few options appear. Look for the 3 vertical dots next to the calendar name. Click those dots to open the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the settings page for that specific calendar, where you can manage who can view it and how it can be shared. Now scroll down until you find the section called Access Permissions for Events. This section controls whether your calendar can be shared publicly or whether it stays private. If you want to create a link that can be shared more easily, check the box that says Make Available to Public if that option is required for your use case. Keep in mind that this makes the calendar accessible to others, so only enable it if you're comfortable with that level of access. After that, look for the Get Shareable Link option. Click it, and Google Calendar will generate a shareable link for your calendar. Once the link appears, copy it to your clipboard. You can then paste it into an email, message, website, or wherever you need to send it. This is especially helpful if you're coordinating with a team, sharing event schedules, or giving someone quick access to your calendar information. And that's it. You've now learned how to share a Google Calendar event link from your computer. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to share availability or event details with other people. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides, and I'll see you in the next video.